everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super chewer box again for the one and only. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Aww. Come here. Oh, look what you got, Lexi. You got a package. She smells the treats, so let's get this open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, Lexi. Oh, there you go. Sitting like a good girl. So, I'll keep it a mystery. So, this is our cover. Got a summer theme. La la. Better way to look at it. There you go. Got a summer theme. Now, let's pull out one item from our box. Ooh, a cooler. Is this supposed to be rusty? Drooler cooler. Is it supposed to look rusty like this? I would assume so. So you got a rusty cooler. And it's also like a Kong, so you can like put treats in there. We'll get you one, Lexi. Let's hold off on that one. Ooh! Fetch and race. Is that like a lemon? Lemon? Hey! Okay. Get a toy. I gotta find a good one for you. Oh, this one's perfect for Lexi. We got strong margarita. This is like a hard toy. So we're gonna give Lexi this one. I think she likes the more pseudo harder ones. Come here, over here, over here, over here. Come here. You like that one? Here, eat it right here. Here you go. All right. Oh, well, she's gone. Next toy. Flamboyant Flamingo. I'm about to sneeze, but I like. Never mind. Excuse me. Sorry. So yeah, we got Flamingo. Also, kind of like another Kong toy where you can like put stuff in there. But yeah, I'm actually gonna cut the seal off this just so we get like the full picture. Sorry, I'm going a little slow, but pick up the pace a little bit. All right. So, I think this one is just like a hard. Yeah, that doesn't like move at all. But there is the instructions. All right, let's get to move this on. I'm kind of going slow, that's my bad. So, soft bakes bacon and oatmeal. Oh, the way, what? Oh, it's so weird how they mix bacon and oatmeal together in a treat. And somehow dogs like that. Beef recipe, dog treats. You gotta stand up. Now we got cheesy peasy soft baked cheese recipe. Ooh la la. We got pork sticks. We got more pork sticks. We got one long beef stick. And the last item. Can you guess? Oh, 2 more items. Lamb treats. Got like all the colored bags, all the different colored bags. It's like getting all the pack arts on in Pokemon cards. All the colored bags are like another lamb. Getting like all the different colored bags is like getting all the pack arts. And then, ooh, what's this? Super chewer. Tough is the beginning. So yeah, we definitely, I think, got a little bigger one. Got a few more toys and all that. Got cooler, this thing, and the flamingo. And we got a lot of treats. And then we got Lexi. right down there, chewing on her margarita. I think she likes it. Ooh, yummy. So yeah, I've read a few comments. You guys want to see Lexi, so she is back on. Got bark box. So yeah, bigger bark box. I think Lexi likes it. And we got a lot of treats. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.